You search for how to buy shares of Kuaishou Technology. This video outlines the steps to buy the Chinese short video platform listed on HKEX under the ticker 1024, HK. This is educational information and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker 1024 HK to find Kuaishou Technology. Select the matching HKEX listing to ensure you have the correct share. On the asset page, review the basic company description and the price chart to confirm it is Kuaishou Technology. Make sure the exchange shows HKEX and the ticker reads 1024 HK before proceeding. Tap Invest. Enter the amount you want to buy, then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session. If you don't have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the purchase can complete. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once executed. There is a link in the description if you want to open an account and follow the same steps.